Welcome to Bedroom Comfort.
Here is the quick simple take before you buy. Here is the quick simple review of the Okin replacement OEM power. I am focusing on practical value, what it does, why buyers may like it, and the main thing to verify before ordering. The first thing that stands out is the feature set. 3-piece set comes with Okin power supply, power cord, and 2-pin adjustable bed cord, so it will be an easy plug and that can make it more useful in everyday situations. Input voltage 100-240 V AC 50 Hz 60 Hz 2.5 A. Output voltage 29 V DC 1.8 A divided by 2.0 A divided by 3.0 A. Low standby power consumption. This is the kind of detail that matters more than the product photos. Multiple certification standards complies with 15 international certification standards. CCC/UL/FCC/IC/DOE. For most buyers, that is where the value starts to show. The key positives are top-rated, great value, and easy choice. The one caution is simple. Check the size, compatibility, and exact model before buying so expectations match the listing. A real customer review mentioned that it full content visible. Double tap to read brief content. My simple verdict. The Okin replacement OEM power looks like a practical pick if the current price fits your budget. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.